Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. I just got out of school, so I'm tired. But I actually have to go to my grandparents' house because I left the charger to my computer at my grandparents' house, and I need to turn in my essay that's due tonight at 11:59 p.m. but I have like 1% battery on my computer, so that's not gonna work. That's all that's going on right now. I'm super tired. The sun was blazing today. Like, it's really hot. Like, whenever I'm walking home, usually the sun is faced like towards the back of me, so my neck is burning because it's so hot. But let me go ahead and get my stuff together so that I can be ready to go. Hey y'all, it's Tuesday. It's like 12:35, and I just got home from school and I really wanted like a donut or something because there's a Shipley's right next to my school. So I was gonna walk over there and buy a donut, but I realized that I had money left in my lunch account from last year. So I bought 3 chocolate chip cookies so that I would have to spend my like pocket money on a donut. So this is probably what I'm going to do every day until the money in my lunch account runs out, and just stop and get a couple of cookies. Hey y'all, it is much later. I just woke up from a nap, actually, like not even 10 minutes ago. And I'm about to go to the gym. The reason why is because yesterday in my pathophysiology class, we were talking about mad cow disease. And I know that this story sounds like it's not about to correlate. It's because it's not. But in my brain, it correlates. So I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to the gym right now. So yesterday, in pathophys, we had a lesson about mad cow disease. Well, that wasn't the entire lesson, but that was a part of it. We were really talking about like parasites, prions, and stuff. So my teacher is vegetarian, and she told us that mad cow disease comes from cows eating the infected infected neural tissue of other cows that had the disease. At one point, we basically thought that it would be a great source of protein for the cows to eat other cows for some reason. The whole thing just disgusted me. That really just made me want to become a vegetarian and to work out and just treat my body better. So that's why I'm going to the gym, even though I'm really tired, but I'm gonna go. It's so hot in here, it's ridiculous. Actually today I wore like a knit sweater that was white. It was like a cardigan type of thing, but it was white and it was fuzzy, and you guessed it, some of the fuzz I got into my hair, so I was like picking out white fuzz all day out of my hair, so I probably won't be wearing that again. Okay, I'm procrastinating. Let's go to the gym. Okay, I'm already in my clothes that I'm going to wear to the gym, but I just want to pop in and say that I'm not vegan. I know that a lot of y'all think that I am vegan, but I'm not. And that's because I share a lot of plant-based meals with y'all, like on Instagram and Snapchat and stuff. But I only do that because, one, my mom is plant-based, so it's a lot easier for me to eat that way. And I also feel like a lot of people struggle with trying to find like meatless meals and stuff. So I feel like it's more beneficial for me to share with you those meals rather than saying, yo, like I'm at McDonald's, I got the number 5, you know. Like, it's a lot easier for like y'all to get inspiration from the plant-based meals. And I know that it kind of looks like, well, is she vegan? Because the only thing that she posts are like vegan meals, but no, I'm not vegan. I'm out of breath, I don't know why. But I would like to transition into vegetarianism because of the recent lesson that I had at school the other day about mad cow disease, and it was just disgusting. Hey y'all, it's a little bit later in the night. It's 7:36 and I'm making myself some dinner. I just took some fried rice. Just dropped the pack on the floor, but this is the rice that I use. Vegetable fried rice. If you go to Trader Joe's, they also have some chicken fried rice that has chicken in it, but honestly it's not that good to me. If you're gonna eat chicken, I would recommend that you get chicken breast and then cook that and add it in, because the chicken that they put in there is not it, in my humble opinion. My mom made some chickpeas earlier, so I'm just eating like her leftovers. She made these chickpeas for the salad that she was eating, but I didn't want a salad, so I'm just using those. And I'm gonna put them in my fried rice. I don't know if it's gonna taste good. It shouldn't be bad though. I also took out the edamame beans in the rice because I don't eat soy. I try my best not to eat any soy products because I heard that soy messes with your endocrine system, which is just like your hormones, and I don't need anything messing with my hormones. So I just took out the edamame. Let me turn this off so that my stuff won't burn. It looks pretty good though, right? Yeah, I need some advice because every time I make this rice, I make it on the stovetop and it always sticks to the bottom of the pan or the bottom of the pot. This happens every time, and y'all saw, well, I don't know if y'all saw actually, but I had it on like 5, so it wasn't even that high. And I also put some of this olive oil in there to kind of help prevent it from sticking. I've also used like coconut oil to see if that would help with it sticking to the pan, but it does it every time. I don't know, maybe I should just start slow cooking it like on 3, on the 3rd notch or something, to see if that would help. This is really good. The thing is, that rice does not come seasoned. The chickpeas were already seasoned. My mom made like her own little herbal mixture. I don't even know what's in here. I'll have to ask her. But normally, if I wasn't making this rice with anything that already had seasoning in it, I would have put this Himalayan salt in there, pepper. 9 times out of 10, no matter what it is, I'll put garlic powder on it just because I like that. Hey guys, whoa, I have my headphones plugged in, so that was really loud. But today is Thursday. I think it could be Wednesday, I'm not really sure. And I just got home from school. It is 12:30 and I'm about to go to my grandparents' house because my little cousins are there and I want to see them. They're 4 and 2. But yeah, so this morning, y'all, it was so cold outside. Like, Texas is finally getting a cool front. It was like 54 this morning and now it's like 65, 68-ish. And I have on this black turtleneck. Y'all already know. If y'all have been watching my vlogs for a long time, y'all have seen me wear this multiple times. Like in January and February, because it's just my favorite thing. And I need to get some more of these little quarter length sleeved turtlenecks because they're really cute. And I also found this watch the other day in my grandparents' garage. I don't know whose it is, but I'm wearing it. It's really cute. It's like a vintage silver and gold watch and it's really cute. I really need to wash my hair today, but I don't think that I'm going to get to it. It's Thursday, right? It's Thursday, so I'll just do it this weekend. I've been wearing it up all week for the past couple of weeks. Whenever I'm wearing sweaters and stuff that are not black, I'm wearing black today, so I could have worn my hair down. But if it's not black, I like to wear my hair up so that the lint won't transfer from my sweater to my hair, because I have been having a really big problem with lint lately. And like in some of my locks, like one in the front somewhere, it's so attached, the lint is so attached to my locks that I can't even get it out. It's like intertwined within it. Do y'all remember my homecoming nails? These are the same nails, y'all. Y'all can see I kind of cut them and I shaped them like a while ago actually. And I took that nail polish off and I repainted it. The money is not in my budget to go and get these taken off and get like a new fresh set of nails, so I've just been being ratchet. As y'all can see over here, we got the snacks on deck. We got some cinnamon rolls. These look like minis. I'm about to have some of these. They look so good. I'm actually about to have some of these with the tea that I've been loving to drink.
TyKara.
Yes.
And they're going to Dora Bear Flowers and Boots.
So this is the tea that I've been loving. I really love this tea, y'all. I have like a whole box of like over 50 packs of tea. This is just the green tea. Honey that I'm going to use to sweeten it with. As you can see, there's not really a lot left.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
So the other day I went to H-E-B in the bulk section. I was trying to make my own variation of trail mix. I really dislike raisins, so I wanted to make my own so that I wouldn't have to continue to pick out the raisins that comes in regular packaged trail mix. Let me tell you, I was all excited. Everything was all dandy and sweet. I even thought that I found some bootleg M&Ms. These are disgusting. I got these from, like I said, the bulk section at H-E-B, and it's nasty. I'll never do that again.
Wait.
Hey, y'all.
I need to get some more clothes.
Okay, flex. Okay, me and my mama are at Marshall's right now because she wants to find, you want to tell her?
No.
Okay, so she lost weight and she wants to get some more pants, like work pants, some nice, what's the material called?
Just work pants.
Just work pants. So we're pulling up to Marshall's right now. We're leaving Marshall's now. My mom got her pants and so we're off to the thrift store. I hope I can find some sweaters because I really need some sweaters, y'all. It's my favorite season, fall. I had to find some sweaters. That man is really staring at me.
Readings over Kansas that were very pleasant today. However, we are looking for a new front to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of
Hello, it is Saturday today and it is about 4:15. I'm here sweating because it's hot. That cold front went away real fast. It's like at least 80 degrees, and as you can see, I'm in a turtleneck because I really wanted to take a fall picture. Don't mind my hair, I washed it earlier. That's why I have it in these braids. No more rubber bands whenever I'm washing because I just feel like it caused unnecessary damage, to be honest, with all of that popping the rubber bands and stuff, and my ends were just looking a mess. So now I just braid it and it's been working just fine for me. Y'all, I'm so hot, but I really want to get this photo though in this turtleneck, and it's 80 degrees. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take these braids out of my head. Whoa, looks like I just threw my glasses down. I'm gonna go ahead and take these braids out because my hair is pretty much dry for the most part. So there's my mom. Looks like y'all can't watch me take my braids out because the car's about to move.
Hurry and turn her on.
I was trying to. Alright y'all, so I took my hair down. It looks like it's freshly washed. So we went into HEB and I wanted to try these little shots that they have. They have 3 different types. They have immunity, digestion. There was also one for energy, but I got the immunity. My mom got the digestion. I'm gonna read to y'all what the ingredients are in this. It says, how is it? It's nasty.
I wasn't expecting that.
It's nasty.
I just wasn't expecting it.
Can I taste it? Oh, that's strong. It tastes like something you made before though.
I know, I just wasn't expecting
It's
it.
really strong. Mine is, like I said, immunity. Keep on saying it. So the base of it is coconut water, and it also has pineapple juice, ginger juice. That's gonna be strong, y'all. Turmeric juice, China tea. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Orange juice, lemon juice, cherry, bacillus coagulus, and organic brown pepper. You can kind of see the bits of pepper in there. Where'd it go? I don't know if y'all can see. I hope this is better than that one that you had. Okay. Mine isn't that bad. I can see all the pepper flakes at the bottom.
It looked like it stained your teeth.
It did? Mine wasn't as bad. I read y'all these ingredients. I'm gonna read you the digestion ingredients because this one was a little worse. This one had coconut water, pineapple juice, ginger juice, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, camu powder, ginseng extract, and ground cayenne pepper. Alright y'all, so that's it for this week's vlog. I hope that y'all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment. Ooh, starting to lock. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to y'all in my next video, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.